Ever wondered how data is managed and manipulated in databases? Well, the secret lies within SQL, or structured query language. This standard language for relational database management systems is a crucial tool widely used across industries. Picture a bustling computer lab 2, filled with eager 300-level computer science students. Their mission? To master SQL through hands-on laboratory exercises. These exercises are expertly crafted to provide practical skills and a deep understanding of how to interact with databases. The first exercise is all about getting to grips with basic SQL queries. The task? Write SQL queries to retrieve data from a specific database table. Imagine a table named employees. The query select asterisk from employees retrieves all data from this table, but what if only the first and last names of employees in the IT department are needed? No problem. The query select first name, last name from employees where department =IT does the trick. Next up is data manipulation. This involves inserting, updating, and deleting data in a database. For example, to add a new employee named John Doe to the HR department, the query would be insert into employees, first name, last name, department, values, John Doe, HR. To then move John to the finance department, the query update employees set department =finance, where last name =Doe is used. And if John leaves the company, delete from employees where last name =Doe removes him from the database. The third exercise delves into joins and subqueries. These allow data retrieval from multiple tables. A query might join orders and customers tables to list all orders along with customer names. Or it may use a subquery to find products that have been ordered in quantities greater than 10. Output. The fourth exercise explores aggregation and grouping. Here, aggregate functions and group by clause come into play for data analysis. Queries can calculate the average salary in each department or the total price for each order. Finally, the fifth exercise focuses on constraints and indexes. These are essential for creating and managing a database. For instance, a constraint can be added to make employee ID the primary key of the employees table. An index can also be created on the first and last names of employees for faster queries. In conclusion, mastering SQL through laboratory exercises equips students with the skills to manage and analyze large volumes of data effectively. This not only enhances their problem-solving abilities, but also makes them valuable assets in various industries. With SQL under their belts, students can confidently tackle real-world applications, making their journey in computer science not only enlightening, but also exciting. So, ready to dive into the fascinating world of SQL?